Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice not sticky. The secret to perfectly fluffy, separate grains starts with your rice preparation. You absolutely must use day-old, cold rice, as fresh rice contains too much moisture. Also, ensure your rice is completely dry before it even touches the pan. We'll dive into these crucial steps to guarantee a delicious, non-sticky result every time. To achieve that ideal dry rice, start by cooking it with about 1/4 less water than you normally would. Once cooked, immediately spread the hot rice in a thin, even layer on a baking sheet or large tray. This allows the steam to escape and the grains to dry out quickly. Then, refrigerate it uncovered for at least 6 hours, or even better, overnight. This crucial step removes excess moisture, preventing stickiness. Now for the frying technique. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, and swirl to coat the entire surface. It's vital to stir-fry your rice in small batches, perhaps 1 or 2 cups at a time. This prevents the pan temperature from dropping, which would steam the rice instead of frying it, leading to stickiness. As you stir-fry, use your spatula to break up any remaining clumps of rice, ensuring each grain gets direct contact with the hot pan. Add your sauces and seasonings, like soy sauce or sesame oil, only in the last minute or two of cooking. Adding them too early can reintroduce moisture and make the rice sticky again. Serve your perfectly fluffy, non-sticky fried rice immediately to enjoy its wonderful texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.